Look at these two geese walking across the road with their little ones. We stopped in the car to watch, and it's incredible how carefully the parents guide and protect their babies, just like we do with our children. Every step is cautious, every glance purposeful. Cars are passing by slowly, the sea glimmers in the background, and the gentle breeze carries the sounds of waves. It's such a peaceful scene, and you can't help but feel a connection to nature in moments like this. Seeing this family so attentive and loving reminds us how important care, patience, and family truly are, whether in humans or in the animal world.